Hi guys, I'm Marie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you guys stick around. Make sure you subscribe. And today I have a hair tutorial all about these juicy, chunky spring twists. These twists are so cute, guys. I mean, I'm loving this vibe that these twists are giving me. They're like giving me that 90s vibe, that effortless look, and pretty much this hair, it looks like my hair. I love how juicy, and I mean, these twists are so cute. It actually turned out way better than I thought it would, because I have been really loving this passion twist. But the thing with the regular passion twists, they're just so tiny and I just don't have enough time to do those. So I was thinking, you know what, let me try doing more chunky style, more effortless look, because that's one thing I do love, what the passion twists just give you, that boho style. So I decided to do it more in like a shorter version and on the chunkier side. I love how it came out, guys. They're so pretty, and they're so lightweight. It's just like easy breezy. Perfect for this hot hot weather we still have here in Georgia. It's like 97 degrees. It's too hot. So the hair that I did use, I used 4 packs of the Freetress in the color 1B and 4 inches long, well 14 inches long. I was going for more of like a 12-inch, but they did not have it at my beauty supply, so I went ahead and got the 14-inch. So this style was pretty easy to do. It took me about, I want to say about 3 hours to do. I feel it was more me stopping and coming back to it. I feel like if I had more time to sit down and complete it all at one time, it probably took me about an hour or less. I think I have about a total of 24 of the twists in my head. Each pack comes with 18 pieces. I used 3 pieces for each twist. Because this hair is more on the chunkier side, I know this style would not last a long time. I plan on probably leaving this in about a week or possibly 2. I don't see me leaving it any longer than that, because I know my hair will start to puff out. But I do love the way the look is giving me. It's so pretty. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you are feeling this style. Let me know if this is the look for you. Make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your post notifications. That way you know whenever I post a video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So I start off by sectioning off my hair and then going in and creating parts within those sections. Taking some of my edge control, I'm using that to just smooth my hair into the rubber bands. And I am using some jam to do that. So once I have my hair in the rubber bands, I'm just going to use some moisturizer, and I'm using this Shea Moisture's Curl Stretch Cream, and I'm just going to lather it all on my hair just to keep everything nice and moisturized. Then I'm going to follow up with some more of my jam and just sleek that on my hair. I'm using 4 packs of the Freetress Braid in Water Wave and 14 inches long in the color 1B. I'm using 3 pieces of the Water Wave hair, and then I'm taking those and making sure they're nice and even, and taking my crochet hook, I'm just going to push that right up under that rubber band, attach my hair onto that, pull it through, and I did place a knot just to give it more secure feel, and then I begin to twist down. This hair will unravel if it's not twisted in the correct direction of the curl pattern. So I just twisted halfway down and then I let go of the twist, and then the hair will tell you if you are twisting in the correct direction because it will unravel. And if it does not unravel, you're twisting in the right direction, guys. And I also combed out the ends just to give it more of a fluffier look once I pass my natural hair. And just twist it all the way down and twirl the ends around my finger. And I pretty much did that all throughout my hair. So you just push your crochet hook under the rubber band, attach your hair to the hook, pull it through, and also pull one side, creating a knot. And then you will also just tighten up that rubber band and start to just twist down. And this is the final look, guys. I am really loving these chunky passion twists. I hope you guys enjoy them as well, and hope you recreate. And if you do, make sure you tag me in it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.